wrando, eich mhodlediad. Good evening. Thanks for listening to my podcast. Dychmygwch eich gwch afon. Picture yourself on a boat on a river, or imagine yourself. Cyfres pedwar a phenod, rhif cant 53, Series 4, and episode number 153. Chwaraeon. Sports. Noswaith that, good evening. Does become that adjective after singular feminine noun, soft mutation, D to a double D. Grando's become rando, soft mutation, the D has disappeared after the key preposition am, and which key prepositions that cause soft mutation are am are at, stand dros drwy, tan dros drwy, gan heb hyd, I o wrth. Okay, fy mhodlediad. Podlediad has become mhodlediad, nasal mutation after the word fy, which means my. Gwch, ar gwch, on a boat. Cwch has become gwch. C to a G, soft mutation after key preposition ar. Pennod has become phenod after the word a, conjunction meaning and, causes aspirate mutation. P to a PH. And that's it. Today's episode is Chwaraeon sports. So lots of different words again. Pale rwyd, netball. So we had pale droid before once. It was football. Pale means ball. We said Daviv or something. Dave and kick your pail, Bale, kick your pail. We had that somewhere else in one of the episodes. We also had rhyngrwyd not long ago, internet or interweb. So internet, that kind of thing. So rwyd in rhyngrwyd, inter, rhung, or in between, between sort of word, rhung, them sort of words, inter, rhyngrwyd, and the end part of that, rwyd, was net, internet. So rwyd is used in netball as well, pale rwyd. That's a long-winded way of saying that, isn't it? Gymnastig, and that's gymnastics, but people pronounce it with the j sound for some reason, gymnastic. It's because it's almost like a loan word in English. But although Welsh is phonetic and generally all the consonants only have one sound, there are some rule breakers when it comes, especially when it comes to loan words. Because you can have the word zoo, or sue it should be, SW, which means zoo. And in the South, many people pronounce it with the Z sound, Z, which isn't in the Welsh alphabet and isn't in the Welsh sounds, but because it has such heavy influence, the word zoo in English, that's what's happening there. And the same's happening here with the J sound for a G in gymnastics. So that's what's going on there. Pale vasged means basketball. So the word pale's in there again, P-E-L, with a roof over the E, long E. Pale means ball. And words that go after it, it seems a soft mutation mutating here. So basket has become fasged, basketball, and then we have pale volleyball. That's with an F. It's not mutated from volley. It's just that they're using the V sound of the Welsh F to mimic the V sound of volley in English. Sponken means squash, and aerobeg is aerobics, and that's they're all feminine nouns. So pale rwyd, gymnastic, pale vasged, pale volley, and sponken is all feminine, and aerobeg as well. Now for some masculine ones. Rugby is rugby, R-Y-G-B-I. We had that before once. Pale droid is football. Cricket is cricket We have heard them three before. Snooker is snooker. Snooker is snooker. Hockey is hockey, believe it or not. HOCI. Golf with double F is golf. I've put double F in English as well there for some reason. I have to change that. Badminton is badminton, spelled the same, but it sounds slightly different. Badminton in Welsh. Badminton in English. Tennis, either one N or two N's means tennis. And they can be masculine or feminine, them ones. So the two tennis words, tennis and tennis with a double N, can be masculine or feminine. Now for some plural words, dartiau is darts, plural of dart. Athletai is athletics, that's a noun plural as well. And then we've got some verbs that double up as names for sports. So nofio is swim or bathe, but it can be thought of as meaning swimming as well, because you'd say unnofio, but when you only just use some words to have a title in, say, the Olympics or something, novio is the word for swimming as well. Julio, that's to sail, and can be a verb as well, of sail, if he or she it were to sail. But is also what we would call the sport of sailing as well. Rhedeg would be running, it means run, race, flow, or manage, or conjugate as well. Dringo is to climb, scale, ascend, but also can mean climbing as a sport. Puscota, fish, I will fish, depending on which tense you're in. Instructing people to fish, singular, imperative mood is puscota as well, but it also means fishing as a sport. Skio is to skiing. Seiclo is cycle or cycling words. Tennis bwrdd is table tennis. Bocsio is boxing, and there's pafio as well for boxing as well. Sentences for them. Mae hi'n chwarae pêl-rwyd. She plays netball. Roedd hi'n athrawes gymnastig. She was a gymnastics teacher. Mae yn y tîm pêl-fasged. He is in the basketball team. Rydych chi'n bencampwr pêl-volley. You are a volleyball champion. Mae nhw'n chwarae sponcen bob wythnos. They play squash every week. Aerobeg dŵr yn hwyl. Water aerobics is fun. Rugby neu bêl-droed. Rugby or football. Okay, listening exercise. Daliwch ati i'ch hetiau. Mwy o newyddion cyffrous. Hold on to your hats. More exciting news. Rydw I wedi bod yn glanhau gwaelod y sosbenni. I have been cleaning the bottom of the pans. Yes, exciting stuff. And that's the picture for today. Mae yna lawer o ddargyfeiriadau wedi bod i'r bysiau yng nghanol y ddinas. There have been lots of diversions for the buses in the city centre. Mae'r Nadolig yn dod ac mae'r gwydd yn mynd yn dew. Christmas is coming and the goose is getting fat. Hope they're pronounced duck right. Or goose rather, sorry. Won't be duck. Yeah, I'm off. Ta-ra.